In this video we can prove that cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta and cos theta. So solution of this question, here we take left hand side. Take left hand side. So in left hand side, here is cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is formula, which is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square. A here is cos theta plus b square. B here is sin theta minus, here is minus, so minus 2. A is cos theta and b is sin theta. So a square plus b square. Okay. Now in trigonometry we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So here we put cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So 1 minus 2 cos theta into sin theta, or 1 minus 2 sin theta and cos theta. So both are same. Okay. So here prove that cos minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta and cos theta. Hence proved.